Hello everyone, Steve Ravithis here with ROVI Homes, and today we're going to be announcing the winner of our $1,000 scholarship. We've been doing this every year since inception, and we give it to an outgoing high school senior that not only excels in their academics, but is also excelling in giving back to their local community. So with real estate being such a hyper-local business, this is something that's been in our roots since inception. We really truly believe in building up our local communities and giving back to them as well. So this year's recipient is Shane Dillon. Shane is a graduate of Springfield Renaissance High School and will be attending Amherst College right here in Massachusetts. Congratulations, Shane. We're proud to be able to give you these funds, and we wish you all the best in your college years.
Thank you very much, Steve. I'm looking forward to many years of giving back to my community, and I'm thankful that you and ROVI Homes are on this journey with me.
Beautiful.
Thank you. Hi everybody, my name is Shane Dillon and I am this year's scholarship recipient from ROVI Homes, and I just want to take a moment to thank Steve and the entire company for this opportunity to help me continue my academic journey, and I am truly grateful and thankful to be here today. So I'm from the Springfield Renaissance High School in Springfield, Massachusetts, and the money that I have received today from ROVI Homes is going to go towards helping me with my work study. And what I want to do with a political science degree is come back, run for public office, possibly teach political science at a college one day. I do want to thank my mom. She is my support system and has been my entire life. But once again, I also want to thank ROVI Homes and everybody here for putting their faith in me to take your money and do good things with it. And I know and hope that I am going to do that, and I will keep everybody posted along the way.